children, how are you all? Hope you all must be enjoying at your place, and I hope you all are fit and fine at your place, right? Okay, good. So children, as you all know that yesterday we have discussed about conversion of time. Yes, we have started our chapter number 10, time, and we have discussed conversion of time, that how we can convert days to hours and how we can convert hours to days, and along with that we have discussed the conversion of minutes to seconds and seconds to minutes and hours to minutes and minutes to hours, right? So now what we have to do, as I have told you yesterday, that today we will discuss the exercise questions. So now we have to start with the exercise questions. Okay, so let us start with question number 1 of exercise 10.1. So question number 1 is, convert the following into hours. Here we have given in days and hours, and we have to convert into hours. So as I have already told you yesterday that in one day, how many hours are there? There are 24 hours in one day, right? So to convert, for converting days to hours, what do? We multiply the number of days by 24. Okay, so let us solve A part. See, in one day is equal to 24 hours. So 3 days will be equal to, we will multiply the number of days, that is 3, by 24. Okay, so 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. It means 72 hours are there in 3 days, right? After that, let's come to B part. Here we have given in days and hours. So for converting it into hours, what we will do? First of all, we will convert these days into hours, and then we will add those hours to this 15 hours, right? First of all, let us convert this. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 5 days will be equal to, we will multiply the number of days by 24, and the number of days are 5, and we will multiply this by 24. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 2 12. It means 120 hours. Now we have given these 15 hours also. So 5 days, 15 hours will be equal to this 120 plus 15. Okay, so 120 plus 15 is 135. So it means 5 days, 15 hours is equal to 135 hours. 120 plus 15 is 135. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3, and this will remain same. So that is how we have to solve question number 1. I have solved 2 parts here, and rest of the 2 parts you will try to do yourself. Okay, now let's come to next question. After that, question number 2 is, convert the following into minutes. Here we have given in hours and minutes, and we have to convert in minutes. So as we all know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here, first of all, we will solve A part. If 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 5 hours will be equal to, for converting hours to minute, we will multiply the number of hours by 60, and the number of hours are 5. So 5 multiplied by 60. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. It means 300 minutes are there in 5 hours. Okay. Then we have B part. Here we have given in hours and minutes. So first of all, we will convert these hours to minutes, and then we will add those minutes to 12 minutes, right? So if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 2 hours will be equal to number of hours multiplied by 60. So 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 are 12. So 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. Now 2 hours 12 minutes will be equal to these 120 minutes plus 12 minutes. Okay. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 will remain as it is. So 132 minutes are there in 2 hours 12 minutes. Right? So here we have converted the hours and minutes into minutes. Okay? So that is how we will solve our question number 2. And again, rest of the 2 parts you will try to do yourself. Now let's come to next question. Then we have question number 3. Convert the following into seconds. So here, children, let's talk about A part first. In A part, we have given 1 hour, 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Right? 1 hour, 4 minutes and 26 seconds. So 1 hour means how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And here we have given 4 minutes also. So 60 minutes plus 4 minutes plus 26 seconds. 60 minutes plus 4 minutes is 64 minutes plus 26 seconds. So first of all, we have to convert these minutes to seconds so that we can add those seconds to these 26 seconds. So if 1 minute, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 64 minutes will be equal to, for converting minutes to second, what we will do? We will multiply the number of minutes by 60. So first of all, we are going to put 1 0 as there is 1 0 here. Then 6 4s are 24, 2 carry. 6 6 are 36, 36 into 38. So 3840 seconds are there in 64 minutes. But 64 minutes plus 26 seconds will be equal to 3840 plus 26. It means 64 minutes plus 26 seconds is equal to 3840 seconds plus 26 seconds, which is equal to 0 plus 6 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, then 8 and then 3. So 3866 seconds are there in 1 hour, 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Right? So here we can write 1 hour, 4 minutes and 26 seconds is equal to 3866 seconds. Okay, so this is the way to solve this question. Now let's come to B part. Here we have given 5 hours, 5 minutes. So first of all, we will convert these hours to minutes so that we can convert in seconds. So if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 5 hours will be equal to 5 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 300 minutes. Now 5 hours is equal to 300 minutes. So 300 plus 5 is 305 minutes. Now we have to convert these 305 minutes to seconds. If 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then 305 minutes will be equal to 305 multiplied by 60. So first of all, we are going to put 1 0. Then 6 5s are 30. 3 carry. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. And 6 3s are 18. So 18,300 seconds are there in 305 minutes. It means 5 hours, 5 minutes is equal to 18,300 seconds. Okay. So this is the way to solve question number 3. Rest of the 2 parts again you will try to do yourself. Now let's come to next question. Now question number 4 is convert the following into days and hours. Here children, we have given in hours, and first of all we have to convert in days. So for converting hours to days, what do? We divide by 24, because in one day there are 24 hours. If in one day there are 24 hours, then in 82 hours, how many days will be there? We are going to divide this 82 by 24. So here we will write one day is equal to 24 hours. Then 82 hours will be equal to 82 divided by 24. So here I am going to divide this 82 by 24. Right? 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, and 24 fours are 96. So it will go on 3. 24 threes are 72. 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now children, the remainder will be hours, and this quotient will be days. So it means the answer will be 3 days and 10 hours. 3 days and 10 hours. Okay. So that is how we have to solve this question. Now let's come to B part. Again we have given in hours and we have to convert in days and hours. The method is same. We have to divide this 270 by 24. So if one day is equal to 24 hours, then 270 hours will be equal to 270 divided by 24. So let us divide this 270 by 24. 24 ones are 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. And here we have this. So again it will go on 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now the quotient is 11 and remainder is 6. So it means the answer will be 11 days and 6 hours. Right? 11 days and 6 hours. Okay. So this is the way to solve question number 4. Again, 2 parts you have to try to do yourself. Now let's come to question number 5. Then we have question number 5. Question number 5 is convert the following into hours and minutes. Here we have given in minutes and we have to convert in hours and minutes. As we all know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 246 minutes will be equal to how many hours? For converting minutes to hours, we are going to divide the number of minutes by 60. And the number of minutes are 246. So we are going to divide this by 60. So let us start dividing. 60 fours are 240. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. 6 is the remainder here. So that means 4 hours and 6 minutes will be the answer. Okay. 4 hours and 6 minutes will be the answer here. Now let's come to B part. Again we have given 132 minutes, and what we have to do, we have to convert these minutes to hours and minutes. So if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 138 minutes will be equal to 138 divided by 60. So let us start dividing here. 60 ones are 60, 60 twos are 120, and 63s are 180. So it will go on 2, 120. 8 minus 0 is 8, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. It means 2 hours and 18 minutes. So 2 hours 18 minutes will be the answer. So the quotient will be hours and this remainder will be the minutes. Okay. So this is the way to solve question number 5. So again, rest of the 2 parts you have to try to do yourself. Now let's come to next and the last question of this exercise. Then we have question number 6. Convert the following into minutes and seconds. So here we have given in seconds and we have to convert in minutes. So for converting seconds to minutes, we divide by 60. So if in 1 minute there are 60 seconds, then 345 seconds will be equal to, we will divide the number of seconds by 60. So 345 divided by 60. So it will go on 5. 60 5s are 300. Right? 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. So that means 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. This quotient will be minutes and this remainder will be seconds. Okay. Then we have B part. In B part also we have given in seconds and we have to convert into minutes and seconds. So if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then 117 seconds will be equal to, we will divide the number of seconds by 60. So let us divide 117 by 60. 60 ones are 60 and 60 twos are 120. So it will go on 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. 11 minus 6 is 5. Right? It means 1 minute and 57 seconds is the answer. Okay. So children, that is how we have to solve our question number 6. Okay, so children, we have completed this exercise. Okay, I have solved two parts of each question and rest of the 2 parts you will try to do yourself. Right? So that's all for today, children. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Goodbye.